So there, long time ago, there was this one beaver.
Niizhobines were basic Amik.
His name was
Giniwgiizhig
the smart one.
Giniwgiizhig.
He was looking around in the woods for something to eat.
Ki papa dawapatan degu Giniwgiizhig mega wakwang.
He hadn't eaten for 2 days.
Gawin giwisinisi Niizhobines.
And then he went down to the water.
Midashkajisha diwati nibikang.
And he was starting to drink some water because he was really thirsty.
Kajimaji minikwed niwen nibe ugiche kwewana bawe.
And there was this one otter, and he was hiding and watching him.
Midashwe nigig gazu ima ugi gazu tawan niwen amekwan.
And he was going to play a trick on him.
Midashwa weju we tu dawan niwen amekwan.
So that's when he jumped out and jumped right on his back.
Midashwe gaunje jigwashkwanet ama o ugwashkwan dawan ama o kweganang.
And he got scared and he jumped way up in the air.
Gashi chizegizit gashi ambigwashkwanet chiwasa gi ambigwashkwanet.
And then the beaver fell and hit his head.
Midash gashi bangishing away amek ugi patako debation.
And he said, "Oh, my head, oh, oh."
You wa niwi sagishin ikido amek.
The otter busted out laughing.
Nigig gashi chibashkapit.
Ba ha ha ha, ba ha ha ha.
Uba piigo ninuin adikun.
The beaver said, "Hey, don't make fun of me."
Midash gashi bi bagimad niwen. Gego papanen mishiken gashi bi bagi.
Otherwise, I'm gonna slap you upside the head.
Kiwi papasi ngweon uma kitishtigwaning.
He said, "You're too scared. You won't do that."
Gawin kikaduta wasin azam kizegis.
And that's when he smacked him upside his head.
Midashwe gashi pasi ngwewat.
And the otter got spun all the way around.
Gashi gishi basit away. Nigig.
He says, "All right, I'm sorry. I won't scare you again."
Gawin kiabi gigazegis sinun ki.
Then the beaver started to leave, and he let a big boogie. He let a big fart.
Uwe gashi animajat away. Amek gashi chibugi jinat.
Me, that's the end.
Midashwe shkwa semaga.
Oh.